Hi, I'm Kristen, and today we are going to be working with the Xyron Glaminator. If you do not know what this is, you are going to be so excited and happy to work with this. This is a laminating system that is just on another level. You can see here we have the cold setting, a warm setting, and a foil setting, because that's what the Glaminator is all about. Now, less talking, more doing, because you have to see exactly how this works. Now, when you're ready to use your Glaminator, all you have to do is put it on the appropriate setting. For this one, we are using that fun foil. So you're going to go past the cold, the warm, to the star, which is your foil setting. And you can see the blinking X with the orangey red light. That means it's not ready. So as it warms up, it'll turn green. But before then, let's back up and look at our project. We are going to be making this beautiful fun saying, toss kindness around like confetti. And I love this. And you can see all the different colors that I've used here. I'm going to show you how to do it just with 3 simple steps. You're going to take your carrier sheet just like this. You're going to open it up, insert your design, set that aside, take your foil of choice out. We're going to use gold because who doesn't love gold? And you're going to just kind of loosely measure that, cut it down, just like that. Now with the shiny metallic side up, you're going to put that on top of your letters. When you print your design, you can print any design you want, any saying. You're going to use a personal laser printer. The toner is going to actually activate with this foil, leaving the foil behind. All you're going to do is just simply close that on itself, make sure it's nice and flat, and now you're ready to go. All right, there's the beep, which prompts us to tell us that we are ready. And if you're unsure, just check it and you'll see the green light next to the check mark, meaning you're ready to go. So we're taking our carrier sheet with the foil and the paper that we use with our personal laser printer. We layered it all up. We're going to insert it into the machine, and you just lightly hold it until you feel the machine take it from you. As the Glaminator does all of its magic, you can actually see it come through on the other side, and you'll see how the foil is adhering to that toner. All right, now that our carrier sheet is completely through the Glaminator, we are ready to unveil our project. I'm so excited. I get so excited with this point. All right, we're just gonna open the carrier sheet. You'll see the foil and the paper. You're just gonna lightly pull back, and it will reveal your beautiful design. Now look at this. Do you see it in that light? Ah! So you have your very own custom art that you can design, or use an SVG file and create something absolutely beautiful with minimal effort. How beautiful is that?